Hello, folks. Todd Halleck here. Wanted to talk to you a little bit today about estate planning, especially estate planning for a couple who is divorcing. Not the best of times, obviously, for that couple, but an important time to think about your estate plan. If you have done a joint trust, if you have named your spouse as a beneficiary of your retirement accounts, of your life insurance policies, of bank accounts. Really important to get that stuff cleaned up, get the titles correct. The divorce decree will probably indicate that one spouse is getting certain assets, the other spouse is getting other assets. Oftentimes, it seems like that's where it ends, and those assets never get fixed or transferred to the spouse who's entitled to receive them. So the first thing you need to do is, after you get the divorce decree, is come meet with your estate planning attorney, make sure the assets have been properly transferred to the right person, and then ultimately get the assets, if any, out of your trust and get them to the right spouse and get the a new trust or a new will in place, naming the new beneficiaries, update life insurance policies, update bank accounts, update financial accounts, update retirement accounts, anything with a beneficiary designation really needs to be addressed and looked at, and the asset ownership needs to be updated to make sure it reflects the new situation of the couple no longer being married. Many states have statutes that will automatically disinherit the spouse if there's been a divorce. But sometimes that only creates a presumption of disinheritance, which means you still could be fighting over that, or your estate could still be fighting over that with the spouse. This becomes especially troubling if you've remarried. So really important. Divorce is a traumatic thing. Lots going on, lots of legal fees. It's easy to say when the divorce is completed, man, I don't ever want to see another lawyer again as long as I live. But it is really important, crucial, in fact, that you come visit your estate planning lawyer at the time of your divorce so that the estate plan can be updated properly. Here at Halleck and Halleck, we probably represented the couple jointly in the past. We'll put up a wall at that point between the couple, and we'll just go forward working with them as if they're individuals, making sure their respective estate plans are now reflecting what they want to see going forward. So it is difficult, it is traumatic, but it is also really important. You don't want to continue to have your estate fight about the things that you had spent time fighting about while you're alive. Unfortunate time, but still a time of importance for planning. Hope you find that helpful. Please make sure you're talking to a qualified professional whenever you're dealing with estate planning questions.